Good morning, candidates. This video is for Vikas Sauharda Cooperative Bank Limited, Karnataka. Probationary Officers Recruitment. Minimum educational qualification, graduation in any discipline from affiliated university. The percentage of marks obtained should be minimum 50%. Computer knowledge, technical literacy in computer application, basics, MS Office. I would suggest you people to take a certificate from a local institute that you have computer application knowledge, basics and MS Office. Experience in banking or financial institution is preferred, but freshers can also apply. Age not exceeding 30 years as on 1st of April 2021. Yeah. The instruction: eligible candidates are required to go through the particulars of notification carefully and submit application online. Applicants can make payment through IMPS, UPI, NEFT, and the payment is rupees 300, and there is no differentiation for scheduled caste and all that. And the last date of application is 23rd April. Mode of payment: if you adopt through NEFT, if you adopt through IMPS, if you adopt through UPI, this is the way of making payment. Soon after submission of application online, applicants will receive details of successful submission of the application to their respective email ID. This will be online examination, so candidates may attend from their respective places through smartphone, PC, laptop, tab, etc. I think it will be mostly objective test only, because they say you can operate through smartphone also. You must have sufficient data and battery backup. Then date of examination: superb, 25th April, Sunday, 11 a.m., 90 minutes, 150 multiple choice questions. Examination: banking subject 50 questions, 50 marks. General knowledge 25 questions, 25 marks. Mental ability 15 questions, 15 marks. Technology 20 questions, 20 marks. Cooperative field, this only I don't know. 10 questions, 10 marks. Kannada, that also I don't know. 10 questions, 10 marks. Then English knowledge 10 questions, 10 marks. Basic accounts 10 questions, 10 marks. That means engineering graduates will be at disadvantage, because they want you to know about basic accounts. Debit the receiver, credit the giver, debit what comes in, credit what goes out, debit all expenses, credit all incomes and gains, something like that. So basic accounts. So I think most suitable candidates are BCom, MCom, MBA finance, then say BBA. These candidates are suitable for this. 150 questions, 150 marks. This test is hosted online. Candidates should use their internet enabled smartphone. Yeah, the mail ID mentioned in the online application. In bank website, few clippings we have uploaded on how to take online examination. You can view. On the date of examination, the online live link, click here to take test, will be opened exactly at 11 a.m. 25th April and closes automatically after completion of duration of examination. examination system enabled with proctoring, image capturing features. Hence, candidates should not access to any other site or place should be changed during the examination. Candidates should not violate any conditions or indulge malpractices like copying. If candidates are found violating instructions, will be disqualified. Successful and qualified candidates list will be announced on the website on same day evening. Superb! And the same will be informed by SMS or mail. Successful candidates should attend the oral interview on 1st May. Superb! At Hosapete. Other technical details related to instruction furnished in the website. The banks reserves the right to reject any application. If you have any query, you can call 96202 20923 or mail to ho_mis@vikasbank.com. HR Manager, Vikas Sauharda Cooperative Bank Limited. One candidates, one good thing, this appointment is suitable for people from Karnataka knowing Kannada. People not knowing Kannada at a disadvantage. Second, people with commerce qualification, they are in advantage. You have to read cooperative field also. Then one good thing with this examination is that everything is done online. The last date is 23rd, examination 25th. Same day evening you are getting results. Superb. This is really good. And interview you will have on 1st of May 2021. That is also really good. So candidates and those who come out successful on 25th April evening, you can mail to me samba.s7@gmail.com. You know my phone number, it's available in YouTube, and you can approach me for guidance for interview. But I can't talk in Kannada, but I can help you in English, and that will be a good guidance for you. Yeah, thank you. And if whatever I can help you only in banking, general knowledge, mental ability, and all that. But of course, let us see what we can do in this regard. How is the response for this? I don't know. We have to see. But there are certain points in this. Number one, they have not told about number of vacancies. Number two, they have not given what is the salary details. They have not told about confirmation, probation. These are the things. But in these days of say difficulties in getting a job, it is good to get a job and try to work there and make yourself feel that you are also important. So best wishes. Those people who do not know Kannada, they can write the test, pass the test, but maybe in the interview they will eliminate them. I'm not sure about that. Best wishes, candidates. Thank you.